Hey guys, this is Vale, and today we're going to be making a molten chocolate lava cake. So for your ingredients, you're going to have 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of flour, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup or 1 stick of butter, 2 eggs, 2 egg yolks, and 6 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. Next, we're going to be chopping up our chocolate. Usually I just use a serrated edge knife. It just helps make the chopping easier. And we're going to cut them into little bite-sized pieces. Then we're going to be putting our butter into a microwave-safe bowl and our chocolate on top. So after we put the chocolate in the bowl, we're going to microwave it in 15-second intervals until fully melted and sweet. Now we're going to mix our dry ingredients, our flour, our powdered sugar, and our salt. Just whisk that together till it's all combined. Then we're going to mix our eggs, our 2 egg yolks, and our 2 eggs. Now into another bowl, we're going to place our melted chocolate in, our eggs, and our dry ingredients. So I usually use a spatula to mix, but if there's any large bumps, you can get rid of them with a whisk. Now I'm going to butter my 4 6-ounce ramekins with just some melted butter, and then we're going to put some cocoa powder into them so they don't stick. Now we're going to put them onto a baking sheet and divide our batter evenly, or as evenly as we can, into the 4 of them. So now we're going to put them in at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 14 minutes. You just want the sides to look a little firm, but the tops to be soft. So after they come out of the oven, we're going to let them cool for a minute or 2. After that, we're going to turn them out onto a plate. Be sure to wear your gloves as it's still really hot. So you can top them using whatever you want. Today, I'm using some ice cream. And here we're just going to cut into it. You can also top it with just some whipped cream and a strawberry like we did here. Now let's cut into this one. And there you have it, your molten chocolate lava cakes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and if you want to see more desserts from me, be sure to let us know down below. Bye guys!